Most company AI is quietly failing, not blowing up, just not working. While everyone nods along in the all hands and says we're an AI company now. Here's the uncomfortable part. The companies that are winning aren't smarter, and they don't have a better model. They did one boring thing everyone else skipped. You've probably heard the scary stat. A study found around 95% of company AI pilots showed no measurable profit. 95. We'll come back to that number because it's more slippery than it looks. But hold it for now. Almost nobody can point to the money their AI made. It's not just profit. Gartner expects more than 40% of these agentic AI projects to be canceled by 2027. And of the thousands of vendors selling you an AI agent, Gartner figures only about 130 are the real thing. The rest is agent washing, a chatbot with a new label and a bigger invoice. And the pilots that don't get canceled often get stuck. The demo always works, clean, scripted, impressive. Then the rollout hits the real world, the weird edge cases, the messy data, the one customer who types in all caps. McKinsey found only about 23% of organizations are actually scaling AI anywhere, and almost nobody in more than one part of the business. Most are stuck in a forever pilot. So stack it up. No profit, projects canceled, vendors faking it, pilots that never graduate. The obvious conclusion is the cynical one. AI is overhyped. It's a bubble. Go home. And that is exactly where most hot takes stop. But if you actually follow the money, the picture breaks in a way that's far more useful. Because at the same time, the other camp has receipts. The venture firm A16Z pushed back hard on that 95% number. They argue it measures sentiment, not real deployments, and they point at revenue. By their count, around 29% of the Fortune 500 are already paying customers of a single leading AI startup. And in specific places, writing code, customer support, search, companies report returns of 10 to 20 times, not hype, invoices. So which is it? Dead or booming? Here's the move almost nobody makes. Both camps are wrong, and I'm not going to sell you either panic or hype. The doomers are wrong because AI is very clearly minting real returns, just not everywhere. And the hype crowd is wrong because most of the spend genuinely is evaporating. That 95%? Real and disputed. And either way, it was never a verdict on AI. The exact same technology is printing money in one room and producing nothing in the room next door. So the real question was, never does AI work. It's why does it work here and not there? And when you line up the wins against the failures, one difference survives everything. The AI works wherever the work keeps score. Code either runs or it doesn't. A support ticket closes or it doesn't. A search result is clicked or ignored. That instant right or wrong is a feedback loop. It's how the system learns it was wrong and gets better, fast. Now point the same AI at strategy, at make us visionary, at a judgment call with no quick scoreboard, and it can't tell whether it's failing. So it produces confident, plausible nonsense, forever. The winners didn't buy a smarter model. They pointed it at work that can grade itself. Which turns the whole mess into one test you can use tomorrow. Before you buy or build anything, ask, can this task check its own work in seconds? If yes, coding, support, reconciliation, search, go. If no, fuzzy judgment, taste, relationships, keep a human in the loop. Start narrow, where the score is obvious, and let the wins compound. So the next time someone says their AI project failed, you'll know it probably wasn't the AI. It was a machine pointed at work that never kept score. The companies pulling ahead in this whole circus aren't the ones with the smartest model. Everyone can rent that tomorrow. They're the ones who picked the right corner and let the machine keep score. Boring, unglamorous, and the only thing that's actually working. We break down enterprise AI honestly. What's working, what's hype, drawn badly on purpose. If that's useful, subscribe. Made by the team building Matter Engine, where, fittingly, the AI only does the work a human signs off on.